You can be like that, bro. Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. TP Productions.
Yo, film me getting on the ferry, dude.
Alright, the car is quite low, so we have to... Well, Gabriel has to go on a bit of an angle.
Nice. Alright, guys. Let's see if we can get a little bit of angle. We're just getting on the car ferry now.
Yeah. Man, this is so much nicer with my phone on the 0.5x.
Alright, let's see what we can do, boys. Oh, we're good.
Yeah, good on? Do you have to worry about the back? You gotta get used to filming in public.
Yeah, bro, don't put the camera down.
Yeah, I didn't.
When, like, people come
Yeah, thumbs up the guy. Yeah, we're in the current today. Bit of a change, manual car.
Nice wheels, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Thanks, bro. Alright.
Alright, guys, we'll show you the upstairs cabin in just a second.
Alright. We'll be back.
What's up, guys?
What is up?
We're back.
We are here on this car ferry. We're just coming back. We're just going over from our private island over to Auckland City for our car meet. We're going over there with the boys. We got Blake. We got. All right. Wait, what do we? YouTube Magic. Yeah. All right. Here we go. We got Garrett. And we're all here. We're on the ferry, and yeah, going over to town. And
it's gonna be awesome.
yeah, we'll see you guys over in town.
Yeah. What's up, guys? Back again.
All right.
The ferry is coming to an end,
Yeah, we're just
about to get off.
now.
and Garrick
First
has
mission?
appeared. What the hell?
Yeah. Oh yeah, Garrick just appeared out of nowhere, guys.
Yeah. Trick Garrick.
Guys, but first mission is to get some gas because we're on the gas light. Looks like.
Oh,
we're
yeah,
out.
that's better.
Excuse me.
Crispy clear.
I bet you it's close from the outside.
Baby babble boing. Baby boing thing boing.
Sorry. Alright.
Alright, the venture
Get the gug out of here.
starts now.
Hopefully the guards don't see us.
Yeah. The NPC guards are not
NPC
watching.
Guards, it's fine.
Wait right there.
I mean, what are they gonna do? Go back?
You stay. Okay, we got off the ferry just fine. They might be talking. Okay, sweet. They didn't even see nothing. Nice.
Easy.
No exhaust tap or nothing.
We're not on, buddy. We have multiple.
Here we are on the other side. We're in Auckland, and here's all the people. Oh wow, they've
It's the 360. Look at that.
look at that, guys.
Zoom in on that.
This is where we'll be lining up when we're coming back tomorrow. Oh wow, that's much nicer.
Hey, look, it's a Honda Dio.
The Honda Dio. Yeah, that's Dominic's.
Where's Dominic? Boys.
We're in Auckland City.
Auckland, freaking out. Life is
Long time no see. You see the sky tower there? Yep, we're here. Here we come, Chrome Knights. Good.
I think yells are we're in Auckland.
For all your Android people out there, Gabriel is an Androidian. Androids are fine, but it's kind of like
people. Blake's phone is literally running out of battery as we speak.
yes.
Get some music going.
Is that an MT07?
That's the MT10, I think.
MT10? Yeah, Paul had a MT07. Usually I put in like 140 bucks.
100 and what?
140.
Oh, hell no. Alrighty, guys. So we're here at the gas station. About to get some gas. Oh, she's full. $11. No. Alright, so we're just going to pay. There we are.
$50.
I'm not doing any dances to this.
I'm not gonna do any dances. Going? Where's Garrett? I think he went in the bathroom. Here, can you hold this on the line?
Drink!
Says Tracy dollars. Why does it say for Rondai?
Alright.
What's this? Yep.
Sorry, we won't film your face, sir.
He's.
Yeah, I'll pay for that. It's my baby. Out there.
Can you hold that for a second, Garrett? Oh, no, that one.
Gonna run for it. Yeah, good one, eh? Alright.
Get in there.
Should I get a drink or not? Blake says to save my money. Blake's probably right. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Just give me a little spray in my mouth.
Well, what the hell, man?
You have to bleep that out, but
Yeah, put a spray. You have to bleep that out. Spray it all in there, Gabriel.
well, here we go. Let's see how much gas we got. Does it even show? Let's see. $50. Quarter tank, sweet.
Leaving the gas station. How much gas you got in there, Gabriel?
Probably get like just under half a tank once like the fuel gauge works.
Nice. How much did you put in?
Just like $50.
That's that can't be right.
I'm gonna put in another 50 to work.
No, like $50 will give you half a tank?
Oh yeah, well my tank's pretty small. I don't really know where I'm going. What are we actually doing today, guys?
Well, we got a whole. It starts at about like 8:30,
Yeah, Kami's not this late.
and so we got about 9 hours to burn, guys. 9 hours to. I would like to get a haircut though if we do go to a mall.
Probably not when you're at a mall. I don't know if we're gonna.
9 hours. What are we gonna do then?
You gotta get lunch and blah blah and do all that stuff. But in between, I guess we.
Zoom in up there. Oh yeah. Hasn't been that filled up since probably the last time you came over here, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, yep.
Let's take a look, boys. It's looking good. It's so weird to have my car here. It's like totally weird. That's so sick. Alright, well, light's green. Light's green, but we'll be right. My car looks pretty stock. My car looks pretty much stock. Bye, police.
See your coppers?
Film those motherfuckers. Film those motherfuckers.
Freaking
Get
pigs.
fucking big.
Freaky guys. Hey guys, we're back. We just parked up outside of McDonald's. McDonald's
what?
McDonald's Ninjas.
Okay.
Let's go.
He would love some KFC, wouldn't you?
I need it for the back of that. Quick break, guys.
This dude. We're here.
Hey!
We're here.
6.5 hours later.
Yo, guys, this is crazy, man.
Too many cops.
So many cops, guys. So foggy, just not
It
the
is
nicest
ruining it.
situation here. Hey guys, we got the coppers waiting everywhere.
Alright, we're going to the street. And you got an entrance.
Look at that. They're all just leaving, guys. Yeah, bro, shut, bro. Oh, what is that? 180 or is that an RX-7?
Check this thing out, guys. Wow. This thing's beautiful. Dream car right here. 30 PSI. Yeah.
That's crazy.
This thing's gotta be making like 1,000. Check this out. Go, 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 go! Let's go! Yeah, Bob! Come on!
Send it like this.
Send it! Send it! Yeah!
That thing's moving though.
That thing's boosted. E36 bar!
Yeah!
What's up? Oh my gosh! Anyway, this is part 2, I think, of Auckland vlog. Brother!